My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the online scam that comes from the site Myprotect.vip. This pop-up, Myprotect.vip, is totally faulty and deceptive. It claims to be related to the well-known security program, but in reality, it is a serious mistake to trust these pop-ups. They are totally faulty and definitely very deceptive. Don't ever interact with them and don't install anything that these pop-ups suggest. Actually, such pop-ups by myprotect.vip may promote some potentially unwanted software. What I recommend you to do is carefully research the control panel of your Windows computer. So go to Control Panel, carefully investigate the list of the programs. Let's do it once again. Go to the Control Panel, select Uninstall a program. If you find any suspicious applications, get rid of them here. I also recommend that you thoroughly investigate the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the website combocleaner.com, download the program, install the software, and start thoroughly researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.